Ready to build strength and feel stronger in just 30 days? This beginner-friendly strength training challenge is all you need to kickstart your fitness journey. No matter your fitness level, I'll guide you step by step to help you build muscle, burn fat, and gain confidence. Welcome to Rehab Stronger. I'm Dr. Sam, and on this channel, we focus on strength, recovery, and sustainable fitness for everyone. Today, we're diving into a 30-day strength training challenge for beginners. I'll show you a simple plan you can follow, explain the exercises, and give you tips to stay consistent and track your progress. First, let's talk about why strength training is so important. Especially if you're new to fitness, strength training doesn't just build muscle. It boosts your metabolism, improves bone health, enhances posture, and helps prevent injuries. Plus, it's a great way to gain confidence in your body. Here's how the challenge works. Over the next 30 days, you'll focus on 3 key areas: full body strength, active mobility, and progressive overload. You'll perform 3 workouts per week with rest or active recovery days in between. Each workout will include simple, functional movements that target your entire body. All you'll need is some basic equipment like dumbbells or kettlebells. And if you don't have those, I'll show you bodyweight options too. Let's break down your weekly plan. Each workout includes a warm-up, strength circuit, and cool down. Here's an example. Week 1 and 2, building foundations. Warm-up, 5 minutes. Dynamic stretches like leg swings, arm circles, and cat-cows. 10 body weight squats, 5 push-ups, and 20 seconds of high knees. Strength circuit, perform 2 rounds. Body weight squat, 10 to 12 reps. Focus on depth and control. Incline push-up, 8 to 10 reps. Modify by using a sturdy surface, like a chair. Bend over, dumbbell row, 10 to 12 reps. With a dumbbell in each hand, hinge at your hips, pull the weights toward your waist, and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Plank hold, 20 to 30 seconds. Builds, core strength. Cool down, 5 minutes. Active stretches like child's pose and hip flexor stretches, week 3 and 4. Progression and strength. Warm up, 5 minutes. Add movements like reverse lunges and thoracic rotations. Strength circuit. Perform 3 rounds. Goblet squat with dumbbell or kettlebell, 10 to 12 reps. Adds resistance to your squats. Push-up progression, 10 to 12 reps. Lower to full push-ups, if possible. Bend over dumbbell. Row, 12 to 15 reps. Focus on pulling your elbows back and engaging your upper back muscles. Side plank, 15 to 20 seconds per side. Targets obliques and core. Cool down, 5 minutes. Emphasize stretching muscles you worked, like hamstrings and shoulders. Now let's talk about tips to stay consistent and see results during this challenge. Schedule your workouts. Pick specific days and times to stay consistent. Treat your workouts like appointments. Track your progress. Write down the weights, reps, or modifications you use. Small improvements each week add up. Listen to your body. It's okay to feel sore, but don't push through sharp pain. Rest when you need to, and prioritize recovery. Celebrate wins. Whether you did an extra push-up or completed all 30 days, every step forward matters. That's it. Your 30-day strength training challenge is ready to go. Remember, progress happens one step at a time. If you're ready to start, download the full plan linked in the description and let me know in the comments what your fitness goal is this month. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more strength and mobility tips. Let's get stronger together. See you in the next video.